Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 28. So without wasting any more of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Mid-hand bones between your carpals and fingers. Metacarpals. The lymphatic system consists of transport vessels and lymphoid organs. Fingers and toes. Phalanges. The pelvis is made of how many bones? Three. The fibula is lateral or medial? Lateral. Patella. Kneecap. All cells contain three things. These three things are RNA, DNA, and synthesized proteins. The cell is filled with a fluid called cytoplasm or cytosol. A membrane is composed of phospholipids. Each cell consists of three nucleic acid, cytoplasm, and cell membrane. What is the one thing that all cells have in common? Cell membrane. Small structures that contains chromosomes and regulates the cell. Nucleus. What is the nucleus responsible for? The passing on genetic traits between pores, chromatid, and ribosomes. These are highly condensed, thread-like rods of DNA. Chromosomes. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Genetic material that stores information about the plant or animal. DNA. This consists of the DNA and protein that make up chromosomes. Chromatin. This structure contained within the nucleus consists of protein, synthesizes and stores RNA. Nucleolus. Closes the structures of the nucleus consists of inner and outer membranes made of lipids. Nuclear envelope. Involved in the exchange of material between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Nuclear pores. Liquid within the nucleus and is similar to cytoplasm. Nucleoplasm. What are the parts of the cell membranes? Glycoprotein, glycolipid, peripheral membrane protein, phospholipid bilayer, protein channel, cholesterol, filaments of cytoskeleton, integral membrane protein. Dear friends, thank you very much for attending to human biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.